Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Walmart stock easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Walmart stock, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, choose a reliable brokerage platform. Open an account on the brokerage of your choice. Complete the registration process by providing necessary personal information. Verify your identity as required by the platform. Once your account is set up, fund it with your desired investment amount. Research Walmart's current stock performance and financial health. Utilize resources like financial news, reports, and analysis tools available on the brokerage. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your budget and research. Navigate to the stock trading section of your brokerage account. Search for Walmart's stock ticker symbol, which is Walmart. Select Walmart from the search results to view its detailed information. Click on the option to buy shares. Input the number of shares you wish to purchase. Review the order details, ensuring everything is correct. Choose the type of order: market order or limit order. Confirm your purchase to execute the order. Once your order is fulfilled, you'll see Walmart stock in your portfolio. Keep track of your investment by monitoring Walmart's performance regularly. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on market conditions or personal financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.